Good morning and welcome, dear students. We will start in this lecture chapter 1. Just quick revision what we have discussed with the help of images but not with voice. So, what is food and why food is important for us? We have discussed last lectures. So, quick revision for that. Foods or food is essential for all living organisms. Food provides energy. In plants, green plants, they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, and they store that energy inside it in form of organs like fruits, tubers, seeds, etc. Whereas animals and human beings like us depend on this stored food of plants. Bigger animals depend on smaller animals for their food. Human beings also depend on animals for food. Now we'll see importance of food. Food provides energy, which is very important part of food. Food is needed for growth, for our body growth as well as development. Food help in maintaining good health. Food maintains body function, proper functioning of our body organs. फूड इज नेसेसरी टू हील वुंड्स, घाव को ठीक करने के लिए, चोट को ठीक करने के लिए फूड is required and necessary for proper healing also. Now the different sources of food sources are broadly divided into two parts. First one, food from plants. So food from plants we can discuss like fruits and vegetable and other foods under the category of plant. Now we will start food from plants like cereals. Cereals are like a seeds. Example, wheat, rice, barley, millet, oats, etc. Under cereal, under cereal category, rice is commonly found in eastern part of India as well as southern part of India. South India and eastern part of India, they mostly consume rice, but in north like us in UP, Punjab, etc., as well as in western part like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, etc., they are largely depend and they cultivate wheat in North India. Wheat is ground into flour to prepare breads, macaroni, and our noodles. Now, other foods under the category of plant origin or plant sources like nuts, which includes cashew nuts, peanuts, groundnuts, herbs like coriander, mint, celery, and parsley. Oil is also extracted from mustard seed. Example, oil seeds of sesame, sunflower, mustard, etc. After that, beverages, the drinks which we are consuming in form of coffee, tea, etc. After that, spices, under spices category, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, all these spices come this category. Now fruits and vegetable are also sources from plants. Fruits are formed from the flowers of different plant. Example, banana, apple, orange, plum, etc. Whereas vegetable, they are also divided into other categories of vegetable. For example, root vegetable, which includes potatoes, carrots, radish, etc. Second is the leaf vegetable. We are consuming vegetable in form of their leaf, for example lettuce and spinach, palak. Third is the fruit vegetable. Under the fruit vegetable category, our pumpkin, okra, as well as tomato comes. Now, inflorescence vegetable that includes broccoli, cauliflower, etc. And last, stem vegetable that is bamboo shoots and asparagus. In metro cities as well as in South India, bamboo shoots are mostly consumed in form of stem vegetable. Now we'll go further. Here we will discuss second source of food, that is animals. Food items obtained from animals, for example meat from goat, etc., eggs, milk, and milk byproducts in form of butter, buttermilk, cheese, yogurts, etc. Here, honey. Honey is also comes under the food from animal. Honeybees convert the nectar from flower into honey. Honeybees, they collect juices, sweet juices from different flowers and store it in bee hives, मधुमक्खी के छत्ते में. ठीक है. And after there they are continuously storing. After storing they form honey. Honey is nothing but, or nectar is nothing but, a sweet liquid. Okay. Now quick habits of animals we will discuss here. Since we discussed earlier, plants make their own food with the help of process known as photosynthesis. ठीक है. In the presence of sunlight, green plants produce energy. This process is known as photosynthesis. Second, all animals including human like us depend on plant for food. They either eat plant or animal that eat plants. Animals are divided into 2 to 3 categories. First one is the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, depending on what they eat. Herbivores are plant eating animal like cows, horses, elephants, etc. Herb means green plant or green leafy colored plant or grasses. Animals like squirrel and mice have sharp cutting teeth in the front. They are also comes under herbivores animal. Now we'll see carnivores. Carnivores, animals that eat other animals are known as carnivores. Example lions, eagles, etc. Carnivorous birds have strong pointed beak used to tear flesh, as you can see in the figure. Eagle, they have beak, pointed and strong beak to tear the flesh, whereas carnivorous animal have long sharp canines to tear meat, as you can see here in the figure. Lion has 1 and 2 canine. Okay, sorry for disturb. Okay, now frogs have a long sticky tongue which they use to catch their prey. Similarly, snake on the other hand swallow, निगल जाता है their prey, अपने शिकार को, as a whole, and thus have small teeth. Now we'll quickly see. We have seen herbivores, carnivores, and now we will see omnivores. Omnivores, human beings falls under omnivores. They eat plants as well as animals also. So this is a just quick introduction of omnivores. Animals that eat both plant and animals are known as omnivores. Now We'll summarize all the things. Food is important for nourishment, growth and development of the body, as we have seen importance of food. Foods are obtained from both plants and animals. Two sources, plant and animal sources. Animals can be categorized or divided into three categories. First one, those are eating plants, they are known as herbivores. Second is the carnivores, those are eating other animals. And third is the omnivores. Omnivores, they eat both herbivores and carnivores. Humans are omnivores. Feeding relationship between animal is called food चेन. एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड रहने की जो चेन है, जो सीरीज है, दैट इज नोन एज फूड चेन. वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट कमिंग चैप्टर्स ऑल्सो. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास for listening. Please try to understand, read from with the help of your book also, revise it. Thank you for your participation.